Well, today, while we're still waiting on parts for that basket case there. No, I'm sorry, baby. I didn't mean to talk about you like that. All right, so we are going to be working on this Bolens back here. It's a ST120 Hydro. You can see that the tire is low. It's got a drive issue. I know what it is already. It's not in bad shape, really. Seat don't look all that great, but the rest of it's not really bad. Somebody been playing. I don't got enough room in my garage like I do, you know. But yeah, all in all, the thing is pretty all there and that. So yeah, well, let's get to it. Alright, so the fella that I got this off of told me that the PTO, they tried to do something with it and they lost that key. So I got some stock here. I got this from a local here in northern Michigan called Willard's Equipment in West Branch, Michigan. I'll put the information in the description. Now he also gave me a new pulley and a belt. We'll have to see if that is if this belt is supposed to be, yeah, let's see, that's brand new. That's awesome. Love brand new stuff. This is also brand new, looks like. So maybe they attempted to so the gentleman that I got this off of, they clean out homes from unfortunate incidents, you know, deaths and that, and they clean out homes and farms, and they get it ready for sale. So hopefully I can keep a good rapport with them, so continue to get stuff like this, because this is not that bad looking actually. I got this and I got that Craftsman all-wheel steer from them. I think what's pretty cool is this right here. Look how big that spring is. Yeah. This is my first time having a Bolens like this. These are they're pretty stout, you know. Yeah. Well, let's stop lollygagging and try to get something going on. Oh yeah, yeah. I can already see a belt issue probably down there. But that doesn't look like a deck belt, does it? That looks more like a drive belt. Okay. Oh, and they modified this here. This is the where's that at? This is the battery that came out of it. Look, it's got a car battery in there. So yeah, she's gonna crank up. Hopefully, right? Okay. Now that, sorry about the shaking. That bolt right there, of course, holds on that PTO. Okay, so if you see that, I believe that, yeah, this, oh goodness, this shaft here even has no key on it either, so the whole thing dropped right out of there. Yeah, okay, he was right. I just wanted to make sure, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop that pulley, put the two together, measure it, and then cut that piece of stock. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so we got our PTO, we got our stock. Slide that down there until it bottoms out. Take our other pulley, line that up there. Okay, try not to drop it, right? Okay, looks like right about there. Take our Sharpie. Mark it. There we go. We got our mark right there. I'm going to cut it. Okay. Very nice. So I'm going to have to pull those pins, take this deck down, get to that. I got the key in there, kind of lining it up so I can just kind of shove that PTO on there. Had to find that little pin up here somewhere that has got that to line the PTO up with the pin and the PTO bracket. So yeah. Okay, let me drop this deck down a little bit. Pull that pin there and one on the other side and bring the whole deck out. Okay, got our deck out. Now we got a little bit more room to work. That is the belt. See, it is really bad. Really frayed, broken. Yeah, that's a bad day right there. So we got our, sorry about the shaking. We got our belt routed like that. See this little spring right here? This spring was missing and it was in one of those kind of bags. But yeah, you put it right there because this, the flat part of this rides like that. And then it goes all the way down. Okay, let's get it on. Well, 1/2 by 84. This one is like 90 something. So yeah, that's the right one right there. Well, let's see if we have movement now. Start it up. Don't try this at home. Well, let's put the deck on and see if we got a little running machine now, huh? Just want to show you something real quick. It's the little things, right? Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Haha. Yeah. Pretty cool. Okay, deck is on. Now usually I clean it up and everything, but it's, you know, it's December, so when I get ready to sell it next year, I'll clean it up and that and whatnot. But yeah, let's check everything out, see everything. Let's check the PTO. Very cool. Very cool. Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, is another successful repair for now. And yeah. Appreciate you hanging out with me today. Been a long one. Yeah, but that's this is going to be a nice one. Well, with that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Not bad for an old girl, huh?